had a chance to take a look at a couple of different Glocks here. We've got a Gen 1, a Gen 2, 3, RTF, and a Gen 4. So let's take a look at some of the differences between them. First, the biggest difference is the rail. And you'll see on the Gen 1 and 2, there's no light rail. And the light rail doesn't change too much, I don't think, between the newer versions. But that's the easiest one to see from a distance. Now if we start looking at other physical differences, we can see finger grooves on the Gen 3 and up. So Gen 3, RTF, and Gen 4 all have finger grooves. The Gen 2 and the Gen 1 are both smooth grips. So another difference with the Gen 1 is there's just one pin here, where you'll notice on all the others we've got 2 pins. Coming back out, there's a difference on the 4 because it has the reversible magazine release, so it's a little bigger than any of the others. Now this one's a longer Glock 35, so its mag release sticks out a little bit. Most people don't like that. Of course, we have texture differences. The Gen 4 has, of course, its removable back straps and its own texture. The RTF has a little bit different texture. 3, 2, and 1 have pretty close to the same texture, but they do feel a lot different to the shooter because of the lack of finger grooves. Now there's probably other differences, but it's been a while since I've looked at all the minor differences, so we're just looking at some of the general ones here. Not all the RTFs, but the cool ones have these different type of serrations, so that's a difference with that version. And then I think the last one I can think of is the recoil spring, which is the double recoil spring on the Gen 4, and it's single on all the others. As far as markings, the originals are all made in Austria. When you get to some of the newer ones, I'm not sure what this one is. Some of these are made in Georgia, though. Of course, all these are going to be made in Austria. But every once in a while, on some of the more modern ones, you'll get a made in Georgia. And you can see with age, the Tinifer does a pretty good job keeping everything rust-free. So, little history of the Glock models.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.